Hello students, myself Subhash Mishra and today I am going to conduct your next experiment. Students, your today's practical is related with cell division. Before this, I have conducted 3 experiments, explain its theory, procedure, observation, each and everything. So, you must go through the videos, audios very carefully so that when you come in the lab, you can do the experiments very easily. Today's practical is related with cell division. So, we will first discuss about the cell. I think you know very well that cell is the basic unit of life structurally and functionally. So it is the basic unit, but it is a very important unit. You have studied lot about the cell organelles, their function. It was first observed by Robert Hooke. Now, cell division, it gives the continuity of life. If there is no cell division, then there will be no continuation in the life. So, cell division is a very important phenomenon. Cell division, it is of 3 types: amitotic cell division, mitosis cell division, and meiosis cell division. About amitosis cell division, you know very well that this type of cell division takes place mostly in bacteria or some prokaryotes. It is a very simple type of cell division where the division of nucleus takes place directly. Cell divides from 1 to 2 and from 2 to 4 very easily. As you have seen the division in the amoeba binary fission. So it's a very simple type of cell division. Now the second type of cell division is mitosis cell division. Mitosis cell division takes place in body cells or somatic cells. And the third type of cell division is meiosis cell division. Meiosis cell division, it takes place in germ cells or reproductive cells. So divisions, either it is mitosis or meiosis, both have their own significance. But in this experiment, we are going to discuss detail about mitosis cell division. Students, as you know, mitosis cell division takes place in body cells or somatic cells. It means all your body parts or repairing of your body parts, this is done by mitosis cell division. Mitosis cell division completes in 2 steps, that is karyokinesis and cytokinesis. In karyokinesis, the division of nucleus takes place. So the process of karyokinesis is a complex process, and this completes in 5 phases. That is interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And at last, cytokinesis takes place. In cytokinesis, the division of cytoplasm takes place. So after the completion of karyokinesis, then starts cytokinesis, and after cytokinesis, we get 2 daughter cells from the main cell. So in this way, the division of mitosis completes. Students, you know from where these cells come from in the initial time? So you have studied that all the cells comes from pre-existing cells. Now we will discuss about the aim of the experiment. So what is the aim of the experiment here? The aim of the experiment here is to prepare temporary acetocarmine stained mount of onion root tip to study mitosis cell division. So for this experiment, we are going to take onion root tips. Now the material required for the experiment are bulb of onion, sharp blade or razor. Then we need conical flask, water, acetocarmine stain, slide, blotting paper, brush, forceps, spirit lamp. These are the certain things which we require for this experiment. Now, the procedure of the experiment we will discuss in next video.